In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report phishing in Outlook. Protecting your inbox starts with knowing how to flag dangerous messages quickly and correctly, and we'll do that right inside the Outlook desktop app. First, open Outlook from your desktop. Look for the Outlook icon on your taskbar or in your Start menu or Applications folder, then launch the app so you're on your main mail view. Give it a moment to load fully so the ribbon and message list appear. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and sign in as you normally do. Use a trusted network, keep your sign-in details private, and complete any multi-factor authentication your organization requires. Once your inbox loads, you're ready to review messages. Now find the suspicious email in your message list and select it once. Don't click any links and don't open attachments from that message. Red flags include unexpected password resets, requests for payments or gift cards, a sender address that doesn't match the display name, misspellings, or urgent language pushing you to act immediately. You can hover your mouse over any link to preview the true destination without clicking it. Simply highlight the message so it shows in the reading pane. Next, look to the top ribbon in Outlook. On the Home tab, you should see a button labeled Report or Report Message, sometimes shown with a shield icon. If your window is narrow, it might be tucked under the three dots labeled More Actions. Click that report option to open its menu so you can choose how to classify the message. From the drop-down, select Report Phishing. This tells Outlook that the message is designed to trick you into sharing sensitive information or installing malware, which is different from ordinary junk or promotional emails. Choosing Report. Phishing helps improve filtering for you and others in your organization and supports automated defenses. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to report and block. Review the prompt, then confirm. Reporting sends a copy for analysis to help security systems identify similar threats, and blocking prevents future messages from this sender from reaching your inbox. In most cases, the original message will be moved out of your inbox, reducing the chance you'll interact with it later. That's it. By launching Outlook, signing in, selecting the suspicious email, opening the Report menu, choosing Report Phishing, and confirming Report and Block, you've taken the right steps to keep your account safer. Make a habit of reporting anything that looks off rather than deleting it. Over time, this helps Outlook learn and reduces the number of malicious emails you see. Stay safe in your inbox.